Nne Mmụọ, Mother of Spirits. Long ago, in the quiet village of Abodo Akoko, a strange tale lingered in hushed whispers. Elders warned that when the moon turned red and the air grew still, Nne Mmụọ would walk. She was not born, they said, she was summoned. A tall, veiled woman dressed in white, gliding just above the ground, her anklets silent, her face never seen. She came only at night, offering gifts to those who were broken or greedy. Obinna, a 33-year-old palm wine tapper, laughed at such tales. Fear and firelight, he scoffed. Nothing more. But Obinna was no longer the man he once was. His wife had died in childbirth. His only child had fallen ill. His debts had grown like weeds. Every morning, he climbed the tallest palm trees, but hope no longer climbed with him. One night, as he stumbled home under the pale glow of a blood-red moon, he heard soft humming near the old Iroko tree, a lullaby no mother in the village knew. There, in the clearing, stood a tall woman veiled in white, her wrapper spotless despite the dusty path. She held out a small carved orji, kola nut, glowing faintly like an ember. "You suffer," she said, her voice like wind in dry bamboo. "Take this. Tomorrow, your troubles will end." Obinna froze. Who are you?" "I am Nne Mmụọ," she whispered. "Mother of those the world forgets." He should have fled. He should have crossed himself or called the name of Chukwu. But pain can silence wisdom. Greed can bind reason. He took the orji. By sunrise, Obinna's child was laughing again, healed. His debts were forgiven without explanation. Even his palm trees overflowed with sweet wine. The village hailed him as blessed. But Obinna knew. And every night, he returned to the clearing. Each time, Nne Mmụọ offered another gift, a cow, a gold bracelet, a charm for strength. And each time, Obinna said yes. Until one night, he asked her a question. "Why help me? What do you want in return?"